Just made it to Twin Falls. I'm gonna do some shopping here, find a camp with a shower maybe, and the first thing I'm gonna do is look for the waterfalls. Well, I'm here at Shoshone Falls Park in Twin Falls. Stopped and had lunch here on this hill, and now I'm going to start climbing back up. I'm probably going to have to push. It's so steep. Still pushing. Just left the Oregon Trails campground in Twin Falls and came here to the grocery store, and I loaded up my bags. I'm stuffed full of food. Well, I've been following the Snake River upstream this whole trip to Twin Falls, but now I'm gonna start heading south towards Utah. Check this out. That's where the Cliff Bars come from. Just got here to Murtaugh Lake County Park, about 20 miles from Twin Falls, and a storm is coming in. Looks like I got here just in time. I'm going to set up my tent real quickly.
So it's about midnight here at the campground, and the sprinklers are on right where I'm at. I've gone. This is the second zone I've gone through. Here, right there. But the tent's holding up great. Fortunately, I brought everything in last night.
Below me, about 10 miles, is the town of Oakley, Idaho. I'm gonna go there and have dinner, and then go look for some place to camp. Well, it's 7 a.m. and I'm on the road. Just packed up camp. I had to stealth camp last night. I went on the other side of the barbed wire. I had no choice. It was about 10:30 at night when I finally decided I'm just gonna stop and sleep on somebody's land. I got about 15 miles to City of Rocks, and it's gonna be all on this dirt road. Hopefully it doesn't get too bad. The locals told me the road is good, so hopefully they're right.
Well, look at this. I'm taking the back way to City of Rocks from the town of Oakley, Idaho. And this is happening. I wasn't expecting this. it's still snowing. I got about 12 miles to go. Dirt roads. The road's not too bad right now. If it gets too bad, I'm just gonna set up camp early. Well, it finally stopped snowing. I'm still on this road. It's not too bad. It's pretty sandy and it drains pretty well, so. I'm at 6,000 feet right now.